your reaction on criticisms about the president, yung po sa pag-joke niya about capping the volcano's hole? Some comments would read that the president lacks empathy and it gives the impression that the president is undermining the threat and situation it poses to the people.
Wala po. Kung ganyan ang gusto nilang isipin, wala tayong magagawa. But the president, of course, was trying to lighten the mood dahil ano ba naman niya, may pandemya na nga, may pagputok pa ng bakuna ng bulkang Taal, no? So that's the present style. Kung talagang mag-iisip kayo na masama, sa mulat-mula ganyan na po kayo mag-isip, ipagpatuloy nyo na. Anyway, matatapos na naman ang termino ng presidente. Kung liligaya po yung mga taong yan, pabayaan nyo na sila.
Sir, since nandito po si Secretary Briones, naalala ko lang po itanong, no, what is the President's actual parameters or key indicators for allowing face-to-face classes? Kasi sir, di ba po yung economic managers and even Secretary Briones are in favor of a pilot run before the Delta variant nga po. And the President is against it. Pero ibig sabihin po ba nito, sir, merong sariling basis si Pangulo for giving his go signal? What is his specific data or specific parameters ng pagtingin po for face-to-face classes?
Well, the law says that the DepEd will recommend and the President will decide. And pursuant to this legal provision, the President has decided that for now, with the presence of new variants, ayaw muna niyang isugali yung kalusugan ng mga kabataan. But this will not be the same forever. Malapit na po tayo makadating sa 12 million na doses administered sa ating bakuna. Ang sabi naman ng Presidente, gusto ko munang mabakunahan ang ating mga taong bayan. As to how many, hindi natin sigurado po. Pero with 12 million of our people being vaccinated and with Metro Manila, some cities of Metro Manila hitting 70, even 100% of their population being given the first dose, sabihin natin na hindi naman po magtatagal at baka posibleng magkaroon na tayo ng pilot. No? Antayin lang natin ma-administer pa itong mga
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.